Stampers, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I want to show you a Gatefold card that I made using my favorite stamp set of the moment. It's called Bamboo Beauty. Isn't that pretty? And this is the new cork paper that's in the mini catalog right now. And the Gatefold just opens like this. And so stay tuned, I'll show you how to make this card. Here's the card we're going to be making, and I just like the way it's a fun fold. It's real simple, but isn't that a neat stamp set? It just stamps beautifully. The way that it has the light and dark color in one stamp, that's called distinctive stamp, and that's really pretty. Also notice the I've used a sponge dabber to make this antique-y kind of look around the edge. So here's how we do this. You start with Evening Evergreen cardstock that I've cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and then I've scored it at 2 1/8 and at 6 3/8. I think you guys can see those score lines. One thing was, when I fold it, before I really burnish my score lines, I want to make sure it does go to the middle, you know, because sometimes it's a little bit off. And so there you go. So I think I'll be happy with that. The next pieces that I'm cutting are for these two panels. I've cut soft succulent 5 1/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. Cut 2 of those. So they're going to be here. And then for the basic white pieces, I've cut 5 inches by 1 1/2 and cut 2 of those. That's where you're going to start stamping. And then for the inside, I've just cut a piece that is, let me see, 5 1/4 by 4. So let's start stamping with this. Here's the Bamboo Beauty stamp set, and got all these kind of ready. I'm going to use soft suede. I thought that was a pretty color with the bamboo. So I'll start with the bigger one. Since it's such a long stamp, I'm going to lay it on, put it on the table and put the ink on it upside down. Let me do one on the other one also. Okay, and then the skinnier one. I don't think there's really a top and bottom to these. I think they work well either way. Okay, and then we've got a couple of the leaves. Let me see. You can obviously do anything you like on these. It's hard to mess up, so. And then I saw something on Facebook that this means like good fortune. So I like that. Okay. Oops, before I put it away, I was going to use a sponge dabber, and I just want to ink up the edges a little bit. It makes it kind of antique-y looking. Just takes a few minutes. One. Now on Maui, well, all through Hawaii, some of the neatest hiking you can do is through bamboo forests, and it's just, you know, beautiful. It'll grow tons and tons of bamboo, and it grows sky high, and it's really neat when the wind blows, because it kind of just goes clack, 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 you know. I don't know, it's really neat. Some of the hiking over here is just amazing, and I hope you do that if you come to Hawaii. There's those two. I guess I'll go ahead and oh, I'm not going to glue them down yet. I'm going to show you something else I can do with them. Actually, let me go ahead and glue them down to get them out of the way. Wipe that off with something, or it's going to get all over. I like it like this. Okay. Okay, I love these colors together. So it's oh, so let me do the thing I was thinking of doing before. I didn't do this on my card before, but I want to see how this will look. And I've got a two-way glue pen that I got at my local craft store. Got my Gilded Leafing, and I just want to add a touch of gold to this and see what it does. Yeah, I probably should have done this before I stuck the whole card in, but so I put so that's some glue on there. I have this in here. I'm just gonna try to put the card down, dip it in here and see what happens. It would have been easier with the smaller pieces, that's for sure. But there it is, all sticking to it, and I'm using just a sponge to wipe along it. And let me get this side. Ooh, I like it. Ugh, this stuff is a mess. Don't put it under a fan or let the wind blow, because it'll be all over the place. Isn't that pretty? I think I got it pretty well. Ugh, off of there. So can you guys see? Isn't that beautiful? I could still put a little more on there, but I'll leave it for now and decide later if I want more. Then, okay, for this part, I've cut the cork paper out with, which one was it? It was, oh, sorry. It was this one here, Stitch So Sweetly Dies. And then I've stamped Sending Caring Thoughts in Evening Evergreen. That's from this set also. And I cut it out of Tasteful Labels. So I'm gonna just glue it on here. Here's my glue. There you go. And then I'm going to glue the left half onto here, being careful not to get any on the right. I guess it's not stuck yet. Let me wait till it really dries, and I'll do the inside right now. Here it is. The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that breaks. So I'm going to do it in Evening Evergreen. Try to get it straight. Ooh, that's pretty good. And then just a little bit of bamboo down in the corner with soft suede. Just going to do one here, and then I lift it, and without re-inking, I'm just going to the side, and it makes this pretty, a real pretty shadow. I like to do that. Isn't that neat? So almost done. Oh, look what I found. This leafing is so gorgeous. You guys will love it, but it's really kind of messy. You have to be careful with it. So I'll close it in just a second. There, now I think I'm about ready for this. Just going to put glue on the left side. I want to make sure I don't get any glue over here or in the middle. Even, I think so. There. Okay, and let me stamp an envelope. And I'm going to add a couple of these brushed metallic adhesive back dots. These are again from the holiday mini catalog. I kind of like this one. I like all of them. These go really well with this card. So there you go. Isn't that pretty? I think I really like, I just like the bamboo, and I also really like the cork paper, and of course the gold. It's called Gilded Leafing. So I hope you guys try making one of these gatefold cards, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. I just love that. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.